What if you could turn your 3018 Pro into a 3040? And what is a 3040? This extension kit extends the Y-axis to 320 millimeters of movement, and that is quite the upgrade if you're used to the 3018 Pro, which only has 180 millimeters of movement. Now, this extension kit was sent to me by SainSmart. I'm not sponsored by them, but they did send me this to try it out. And they also sent me this spoil board, which is really great. It has pre-drilled holes to attach it to the frame and also holes to attach the clamps. And it is made out of MDF. And the only issue I had was with the spoil board, because the holes didn't match the width of my rails. But that could be due to my machine not being an original SainSmart, or they sent me the wrong spoil board. It was easy solving it by just drilling new holes in the MDF. Now, installing it wasn't that hard. The accessories came with instructions and there are videos online as well. Mainly you disconnect the wires for the Y-axis and disassemble the frame and remove the gantry. Then you attach the extended side extrusions and linear rail to the back panel and install the extended lead screw. I could then install the front panel and make sure it was square. And now I'm able to do bigger projects, and to try it out I'm going to make a wall clock. And it's going to be 250 millimeters wide, and that would be impossible to do on the old machine. And the bit I'm using right now is one of these. I'll have a link down in the description to the exact one. I've made a simple design in Illustrator, and to send this to the CNC I'm using Easel by Invendables. Now let's send it. To do the infill, I'm using an app in Easel called Infill Generator, and it's really easy to use. It basically gives you two files that are ready to be cut. And once I had all the numbers and shapes, I could glue them in place, sand it all down, and then give it a nice finish of linseed oil. Now, is it worth the upgrade? I would say that depends on your needs. If you already have a 3018 Pro and you need the extra cutting area, then I would definitely say that it's worth the upgrade. The extension kit is $60 and the spoil board is about $40, but if you already have some MDF, you could go ahead and make your own spoil board, of course. And also, if you're on a budget and want to get a bigger machine than the 3018 Pro, you could go ahead and buy the 3018 Pro and the extension kit, and you get a quite big machine as well. Oh, and I finished the clock by adding some mechanics to it, and I think it looks great. Alright, so that's it for this one. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.